Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term DTTM. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, DTTM is don't talk to me. People use it when they want to signal they're busy or do not want to be disturbed. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. DTTM first showed up in the early 2000s as internet slang. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among teenagers and online users. Now let's check out how to use DTTM in a sentence. Correct example 1. She replied quickly, saying DTTM because she was busy and didn't want distractions. Correct example 2. I'm in a meeting, so DTTM for now. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said DTTM at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using DTTM right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. DTTM means don't talk to me. It started in the early 2000s as internet slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with DTTM in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.